Umentri Badekmi Yakatanat Information and Public Relation Kasorka Jala James PK Sangma Negasngi Ulaple Yak Office Trekam Kabatmai Jongatrat Kabadon Halowa Lashmia Hagajingilang Play La Sakilang the Secretary Jongatrat Kong Matsudor War Nongpri IS Uba BS Solia Director Ki Officer Nagatrat Trekam Prepare Kasorka Jala Bat Kinong Kubor Kajingsang Bante Yakanik Ying Trekam Kabatmai Jonganika Office Nasdang yakan do kasnem arajar khandrio hagajing lut kabalong shipo point san po klur tingka the lord office trikam jong di IPR kane ke yeng kabathamai kan don langru ya ka office trikam ka passport seva kendra civil task force Media Editors and Publisher Association ne MEPA bat kashlong press club ne SPC habakran kumukong san u James PK Sangma ulai Kublai your secretary director ki officer but ki nongtre jong katanat Klam deklar ru ya ki menteri barem balat bat ya katnat baja baro kitu ke baladon benta agaban penstet chakmat ya ki jingte ya kenika office trekam ka bathamai ka badakla ka jingyo ban kiuno ha kenika yeng trekam ka bathamai kan play ya kalat kalenti nagamta ban kam pinjana shushu ya karukom trekam jongatnat kat kum ka jingdawa jong kapor ha kenika jingelang u James PK Sangma omla pan klam de porto ya ki nong tre jongatnat Kebel Trajitom nagamta ban pinbit pinbiang yaki kerua kubor ki bakongsan jong ke sarkar kamtam lele haki cap ba dang yakun ya kecing sapriang jong ke klam jingpang covid khat khandai kiwe pat keblai jingkren hakani kesngi kentop secretary IPR kong Matsudor Warnongpri director tenat ba BS Solia kiblai yaki kentin priang sopa pat ai kuble.
I commend your efforts which have yielded fruits in spite of numerous challenges along the way. The way I see it, the DIPR office building will turn out to be one of the most prominent landmarks of Lower Lashmere in particular and Shillong city in general. And to know that the building is also accommodating a central government office, namely the office of the Passport Seva Kendra, the Shillong Press Club and others, the joy gets amplified considerably. The DIPR, being the press and publicity wing of the government, has a crucial role to play. And this role, not just in the day-to-day governance at various levels, up to the grassroots with the programs and the policies of the government, but also in highlighting all the different schemes that are being initiated by the government, implemented by the government. And these will be made accessible to the citizens of the state through its various units, including the press unit, the advertisement unit, the publication unit, the field publicity unit, the technical unit, and others. With the changing times and evolving dynamics of communication, there is an urgent need to upscale our efforts at all levels in terms of service delivery in order to ensure that the visibility of the department is enhanced from what it is today. I believe that if we put all our heads together and with this new workspace, I'm sure we would be able to achieve and to bring about new interventions to augment the services of the department in the days to come. The recently introduced centralized system of payment of advertisement bills of different government departments, through which bills of all government departments are to be paid by the DIPR, has brought about an added responsibility to the department at the directorate and administrative levels. However, I believe that we all have the mettle to carry that load in the interest of all concerned stakeholders, particularly the media and press fraternity. The evolution of new media, namely social media, has brought about new challenges as well as opportunities to governance. I believe that reforms are to be effected in a phased manner in order to ensure sustainability of such reforms in the long run. Moving with the times and to supplement traditional forms of information dissemination, the department has ventured in the arena of social media by posting important government information through its official Facebook page, that is DIPR Meghalaya. And this is done on a day-to-day basis. With time, we can also think of venturing into other social media platforms in order to ensure wider reach of important information of the government to the citizens of our state. In view of the COVID-19 situation in the country and the state, I take this opportunity to also commend the services rendered by the officers and staff of the IPR, particularly the foot soldiers, namely the technical staff, who I'm told have been on duty in the field without break since the beginning of the countrywide lockdown and till date. I wish you all good health. I thank you from the bottom of my heart. And as you continue to serve the people of the state through the INPR department, I wish you all the very best.